Nouns are one of the fundamental parts of speech in English. They are words that name people, places, things, ideas, or concepts. Nouns play a crucial role in sentences by acting as subjects, objects, or complements. Here are a few examples of different types of nouns. Common nouns. These nouns refer to general or non-specific people, places, things, or concepts. They are usually not capitalized unless they start a sentence. For example, dog, city, book, happiness. Proper nouns. These nouns refer to specific individuals, places, organizations, or things and are always capitalized. For example, Mary, Paris, Coca-Cola, Mount Everest. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns refer to things that can be physically perceived with the senses. Examples include table, tree, cat, car. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns refer to ideas, emotions, qualities, or concepts that cannot be physically perceived. Examples include love, courage, freedom, happiness. Countable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted as individual units. They can be either singular or plural. For example, book, books, chair, chairs, apple, apples. Uncountable, mass, nouns. Uncountable nouns are substances, concepts, or things that are treated as a whole and cannot be counted as discrete units. For example, water, information, rice. Collective nouns. These nouns refer to groups of people, animals, or things as a single unit. Examples include team, family, herd, flock. Here are some sentences to help illustrate the use of nouns. Common noun. The book on the table is interesting. Proper noun. John visited the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Concrete noun. The playful dog chased a ball. Abstract noun. Her happiness was contagious. Countable noun, singular. She bought a new car. Countable noun, plural. The library has many interesting books. Uncountable noun. Can you pass me the bottle of water? Collective noun. The team celebrated their victory. Remember that nouns are essential building blocks of sentences and provide the necessary information about the subjects, objects, and concepts being discussed.